Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 1st, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So the Aussie dollar has been majorly range bound for quite some time now. While a lot of the other dollar pairs were in a pretty decent pullback, the Aussie dollar really didn't make much of a pullback. Makes you wonder how much of a pullback it actually is going to make. Because I am definitely very bullish. I still think there's a very good likelihood that this has a lots of upside potential on the daily time frame. So keeping that in mind, going back down to the 1 hour time frame, I think it at least has to take out the low of wave 4, putting us down to the 23%. Most pullbacks do go at least to the 38% also. So we have some pretty decent news. We have IMS manufacturing today, and then we got non-farm payroll tomorrow. So hopefully we do get a pretty good push down, but with the Aussie, I would definitely be a little bit careful because obviously the Aussie is very strong still. Because while some of the other dollar pairs have been going down, the Aussie dollar has not. So obviously the Aussie is still very strong. Definitely looks like a little bit of a 1-2-3 down, maybe 1-2-3 up. I mean, I would kind of think that this would still potentially end up going down to one of these lower Fibonacci levels before we get a nice push to the upside. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.